Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 6th of April, Wednesday, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 7th of April, first weekly expiry of this month. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the US indices, in the last trading session, US indices closed in red. As of now, also it seems like Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq all are trading in red because of the fear from the Fed of hawkish statements, and Fed might increase the interest rate by 50 basis points. So this is the fear in the market, and because of that we are seeing a global sell-off. DAX is down by 2.16%, FTSE 0.66%, and CAC 2.4%. If we talk about the Asian markets, in Asian markets we have also seen pressure. Likewise, we have seen global pressure across US and European markets. Shanghai, SCZD, China A50, Hang Seng all are trading in red. So as of now there is a fear in the global market because of the hawkish statements by Fed. If we talk about the FIDI data for today, FIs were net seller. They have sold for 2279 crores, and DIs were net buyers. They have bought for 622 crores. The DI buying is very less. So today we close at 17,800, which is the level. If we talk about the today's price action, it was more or less volatile. We opened gap down, and then from there we made a low of 17,779, which was respected by the market whole day. Then we saw upward swing up to the level of 17,898, close to 17,900, and from there we saw a sharp sell-off, and then we closed at 17,807, which is the adjusted closing. As of now, SGX Nifty is showing flat to negative opening. We might open on the lower side, so the first support for the market would be 17,700, because this is the gap which market can fill. Second would be 17,590 to 600. If this is broken, then definitely we are going to see 17,550. These are the levels on the lower side. On the higher side, if we open gap up or if we start moving higher, the first resistance for market would be 17,800, because the market has spent a quite a time over here and accumulation is happening. So second resistance would be 17,920 to 940, and the third would be 18,000. So for this weekly series, 18,000 will be act as resistance. If we talk about the option chain levels, here we can see on 18,000, 2 lakh contracts have been written, and this is a huge resistance for market for tomorrow. Call writers are taking a grip on the levels of 17,900 as well, and put writers have closed their positions. So that means that market can slide further down up to the level of 17,500, which act as a good support, followed by 17,800. So these are the levels as per option chain. If you go to the bank nifty, the bank nifty was more or less in a range, but it was also very volatile. As you can see, huge wicks have been formed. The bank nifty opened gap down in the range of 37,700 and then made a bottom, and from there saw a sharp recovery up to the level of 37,868, and then again the selling has come up and we closed at 37,632. As of now, we are at a very crucial level. The first support for tomorrow would be 37,380 to 37,400. Second would be 37,200 to 250, and the third would be 37,000 to 37,050. If we start moving higher, the first resistance for the market would be 37,600 to 37,650, the today's closing. Second would be 37,800 to 850, and the third would be 38,000 to 38,020. So these are the resistances on option chain. Talking about the levels, we are at 37,600. 37,500 is a good support for the bank nifty, because put writers are more as compared to the call writers, followed by 37,000 strike price, where 80,000 contracts have been written, and here the call writers have also closed their position. So we can say 37,000 will act as a good support. On the higher side, 38,000 is going to be the resistance for market, because put writers have closed their position here. So these are the levels. So today we took a trade, and in that trade our stop loss got hit. So let me show you the trade. So yeah,
स्टार्टर जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, सपोर्ट के पास हमने एक ट्रेड लिया 70।
So 17,800 put was written by us, and because we had
17,800
we were
पुट को
very
हमने
close
राइट
to the support, so I
किया
was
था एंड
expecting a bounce back, but our trailing stop loss got hit. Actually, stop loss got hit, not trailing stop loss, and we lost 5,100 rupees in this trade. So I just want to be honest with you, it's a game of risk and reward when you are trading in options and futures. So you have to make sure that you are having a good risk to reward ratio. In this trade we lost, but we want to be transparent to our subscriber and to our followers, so that's why we are showing this. So we, yes, we also make losses, but loss is also a part and parcel of this stock market trading journey. So here we lost 5,100 rupees. We'll make sure that we take trades when the support is actually working as a support rather than just looking at the support line. So that's it for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description of the video. Thank you.